This is the video guide dedicated to help you remove fake human verification alerts that are coming from the site adssupport.com. So some people see these pretty strange pop-ups by adssupport.com. Keep in mind that these pop-ups are totally fake and you should not trust them. adssupport.com tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This may hijack your browser with plenty of advertisements. These ads are not decent, so you need to deactivate them by accessing the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings. Go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious sites from the list. In order to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and then begin investigating your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.